Hey skincare fam, so this eczema cream has truly been a game changer for me and my husband, and I'm about to tell you all about it right now. Now, it's a high performance, fragrance free barrier repair cream. It's both dermatologist-tested and NEA accepted. So as you can see, we have used this quite a bit, but you can also see the texture is very rich. Have you tried some of those creams? It's almost like putting on a serum or water. That's not about to do anything with eczema. You need something like this. The cool thing about it is even though it's nice and thick, it melts in very well. It's powered by this special dermal water with amino acids, plus minerals, plus botanicals like tomato, carrot, oat, and kale. So it gives deep, long-lasting hydration. And probably the most important part, if you have eczema or someone you know does, it helps to calm it, especially when you start to get irritated and it's flaring up. And it does all this without feeling too greasy. You don't want greasy skin, you want resilient skin. So I use it on my face and body in the morning, plus at night. And in the morning, I would go ahead, do my skincare cleansing, layer with this wherever I need it, and then just kind of let it soak in, put my makeup right on top. Works perfectly. If you're dealing with dry, sensitive, or eczema-prone skin, this cream might be exactly what you need. It worked for us. And if you are a man with eczema, like my husband, let me tell you, he loves it because this doesn't smell like a ton of flowers. You can put this on, still spray your cologne on top. No one will ever know. So I'm gonna drop the link so you can try it for yourself, and trust me, your skin is gonna thank you.